Boost your medical vocabulary. Master therapeutic interventions. Hello, language learners and aspiring healthcare professionals. Today, we're going to take a deep dive into an essential part of the medical vocabulary: therapeutic interventions. These are the various methods healthcare professionals use to treat illnesses, manage symptoms, and improve the overall quality of life for patients. Therapeutic interventions refers to the range of treatments doctors, nurses, and other healthcare professionals employ to manage and treat a patient's illness. It's a comprehensive term that includes everything from medication prescriptions to surgical procedures, physical therapies, and lifestyle adjustments. Now let's look at some examples of therapeutic interventions. Pharmacological interventions involve the use of medications to treat illnesses. For instance, a doctor might prescribe antibiotics to fight a bacterial infection. Surgical interventions refer to operations or procedures that require incisions or manipulations of the body. Examples include appendectomy, which is the removal of the appendix, or angioplasty, a procedure to open blocked or narrowed coronary arteries. Physical interventions can mean things like physiotherapy or occupational therapy. These approaches often focus on improving mobility, strength, and overall functionality. Psychosocial interventions, such as cognitive behavioral therapy or support groups, aim to improve mental health and social functioning. Understanding vocabulary is great, but using it properly in sentences is what truly makes it effective. Here are some sentences using the terms we've learned. 1. The doctor opted for a pharmacological intervention, prescribing antibiotics to clear the patient's infection. 2. Due to the severity of the disease, a surgical intervention was necessary to remove the tumor. 3. The patient's recovery plan included physical intervention with weekly physiotherapy sessions to help regain muscle strength. 4. Following her diagnosis, she started attending a support group as part of her psychosocial intervention. And that wraps up our video on therapeutic interventions. These terms are not just essential to medical professionals but are useful for anyone wanting to better understand healthcare-related topics. Keep practicing these terms and incorporate them into your daily English. Remember, language learning is a journey, not a destination, so keep exploring and enriching your vocabulary. We hope this video has been helpful, and we're excited to see you in our next one. Happy learning!